Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to connect wallet on Uniswap. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type Uniswap, and you'll be greeted by a screen looking like this. Now here you have a lot of things going on. In the top left corner, as you can see, we have the Uniswap button, we have the trade, explore, and pull. In the top here we have the search tokens, and here you have the swap anytime, anywhere. You can go and put in how much you want to swap, and in the top right corner, you can go and get the app and connect to your wallet. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and connect wallet on Uniswap. So from scratch. Now, when you're on the screen here, you just need to go, as I already told you, and click on the top right corner, which is the connect button. Here you will have a lot of options. You will have Get Uniswap Wallet, Uniswap Mobile, MetaMask, Wallet Connect, and Coinbase Wallet. So you can go and choose from all of these. Now the one that of course I will be choosing is the MetaMask, because I have the MetaMask wallet, but if you have any other, you can just the same way click on it. So I'll click on it. Then here you guys just click here and you get it. So you have your wallet here in the top right corner, as you can see, and your wallet is basically now connected. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.